Today we'll see an interesting chart pattern and we'll analyze the price action on that. So what is the chart? You see this is the daily chart. In daily chart what is happening is there is a nice consolidation happening over here, and this consolidation is happening from June and it is still going on, and in June there was a huge amount of volume, and after that also there is a little volume over here in August, and when recently also it is the volume action has been increasing. Now if you draw a trend line over here, this has broken out here and again taken the support around the same resistance line and trying to move up. So picture will be more clear when you see the weekly chart. So this is the weekly chart. Do you see any pattern over here? So if you are able to see, you draw the this line and you are able to see one a good rounding bottom kind of pattern, and after that it is consolidating here. So this pattern is nothing but the cup and handle pattern. This is also a very bullish pattern, and after this pattern is formed, now it is breaking out from the this line of the resistance line, and the volume is also increasing. Since this is the weekly chart and still week 2 days of trading is there, so it is likely that volume will still increase and this price will be sustained over this line. So, and what is the target in cup and handle pattern? In our last video also we had mentioned, you draw this and take this line over here. So what area it is touching, that is the target. So this is a normal calculation in cup and handle pattern. So if you see the monthly chart also, here also you can see that cup clearly, and now this particular portion has become a very important area, crucial area zone. So this is this candle actually it is looking for a breakout of this resistance zone. And this is the monthly candle. Still monthly volume is being built. So many days of trading is available still to be done during this month, and this volume is likely to increase. Look at the volume during the past months. The past month there's a lot of volume action has been registered. So this means this stock is looking very bullish based on this price action as well as the volume action. Now, in case this breakout is sustained and the monthly volume also supports, means monthly volume also shows a good amount of volume, then it will definitely uh, go to the target area. So this is our analysis on this particular chart. This is the weekly one and this is the monthly one, monthly chart. Okay, now you are able to see cup and handle pattern, and there is a target area marked. So what is the name of the chart? Name of the chart is BA Tech Wabag. This company, if you don't know what is this company, the name of the VA Tech is engaged in, it is a multinational company which deals with water treatment industry in the market, with market presence in Middle East and India, South Africa, Europe and China. So this is our analysis on BA Wabag Limited. This is a purely based on the technical analysis, and this analysis on technical chart, and it's purely meant for educational purpose. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you very much for your valuable time. Thank you. See you in the next video.